Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you were looking for a portable, easy to break down, easy to put back up chair, this video just might be for you. So this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview, a little unboxing of our chair here? It's a collapsible portable chair. Who am I to say no? But no way whatsoever is being provided to be a fitness review. I'm just here to keep it real. So this is it. Very, very cool. To give you an idea from a size standpoint, fully assembled, this is gonna sit off the ground at about 14 inches. It's only 12 and a half by 12 or so. It's slightly rectangular on top, so it's pretty small, nice and compact. This is how easy it is to take apart and put back together. These are all connected together via spring loads, and all you got to do is there's a little pull here and a little pull here. So you just pull it and it unclips, pull it here, unclips, and then it comes apart just like that. These are all like spring loaded like this. So they come apart like this. And then it has a very nice little pouch right here. It all goes together just like that. And it has a Velcro right there, and that's it. It's not going anywhere. Nice and compact. Put it together, you pull it apart. And this thing is rated up to 400 pounds. It's very sturdy. On the bottom, it has some rubber feet. So depending on, whatever you're sitting on, it's not gonna really kind of go anywhere. It's very stable, very solid, and yeah, just compact, convenient from a storage standpoint, putting it back together. Everything you could possibly need in a very portable type chair. Hopefully this answers any question you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.